All right, we took a look at this Phantom Knives ripcord last week, and I said it would make a good teardown video because I want to know what's actually going on in here finally. So here we are. Let's crack it open. It looks like it should be relatively simple. We've just got 6 body screws here. These are a T8. You can see I did not peek. Loctite is still intact. I was tempted. Not gonna lie. Generous amount of Loctite on these, it seems. Oh, that one went shooting across the table. I'll track that one down after the video. Yeah, man. What happens when there's a lot of Loctite on the screws, sometimes it even wants to grab a section of the hole with no threads. Alright, the grand reveal. See, I think the lock should be on this side. Not sure which side I should actually take apart first, or which side should lift off. Alright, we're getting a little separation. There we are. Aha! And yes, there is indeed a locking liner. Oh my god, focus. Oh, you're killing me here. Focus. There we go. Yeah, you have a little liner that kicks over into place behind the blade. And you can see here is where our little dimple comes down. If this was like that, that comes down and presses the liner over to the side to unlock it. Very simple, very effective. Very cool. Looks like, is that? Yeah, just a single screw holding the liner in place, but it does rest on this shelf machined into the handle, so it's not going to slip down and fail in any manner in that fashion. Interestingly, we've got these seem to be like little urethane washers. Not sure what the purpose of those would be. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe Marianne will chime in over on in the Facebook group and say what those little urethane bushings are for. Nothing incredibly crazy in there. Very simple, very effective. But in my mind, the most elegant solutions are typically the simple ones, and they definitely nailed it on this. Very cool. See, that would be. Oh, I see what happens there. Those little urethane bushings give a little compression at the end of travel and kind of cushion the blade so it's not slamming into the aluminum frame on deployment. Very cool. You can see these are a little smooshed out from deployment over the years, but I should be able to rotate those before I put it back together, and it should be fresh like new. Very cool. Now we know. Managed to keep this relatively short, under 5 minutes. And I think I'm going to go track down that screw, rotate these washers, or little urethane bushings, and put it all back together. Hope you guys enjoyed this look inside a Phantom Knives ripcord. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.